Welcome to Breathe Better 5 Techniques for Stress and Performance. You know, we're always talking about health, fitness, and pushing our limits. But one thing we often overlook is the power of breathing. It's the most basic human function, but trust me, there's a whole lot more to it than just inhaling and exhaling. These techniques we're diving into, they're not just some new age woo-woo stuff. We're talking about methods that can seriously level up your athletic performance, melt away stress, speed up recovery, and even increase your lung capacity. So whether you're a seasoned athlete, a weekend warrior, or just someone looking to feel calmer and more energized, these breathing techniques are game changers. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. This one's all about tapping into the power of your diaphragm, that big muscle that sits at the base of your lungs. Now, most people, they breathe all wrong. They use their chest and shoulders. But when you breathe diaphragmatically, you improve oxygen exchange, enhance relaxation, and strengthen your diaphragm like you wouldn't believe. Here's how you do it. Find a comfortable spot, lie down or sit upright, whatever feels good. Now put one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. This is key. You've got to feel what's going on. Inhale deeply through your nose, and as you do, let your belly expand outward. Picture a balloon inflating in your stomach. Your chest should stay relatively still. We're focusing on that belly movement. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, gently drawing your belly button back towards your spine as if you're deflating that balloon. That's it. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly contracts. Simple but incredibly powerful. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. You'll feel calmer, more centered, and your body will thank you for the extra oxygen. This technique is especially helpful for people with anxiety or panic disorders. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. Plus, it strengthens your diaphragm, which is crucial for athletes and anyone who wants to improve their breathing efficiency. Think about it. Your diaphragm is like any other muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. A strong diaphragm means you can take in more oxygen with each breath, which translates to better endurance, better performance, and less fatigue. So make diaphragmatic breathing a part of your daily routine. It's like a mini vacation for your mind and body, and the best part is you can do it anywhere, anytime. No excuses, folks. Let's talk about box breathing, also known as square breathing. This technique is the real deal, folks. It's used by Navy SEALs, elite athletes, and anyone who needs to stay calm and focused under pressure. And for good reason, this stuff works. Here's the breakdown. It's all about controlling your breath in a specific rhythm, a 4-part cycle that creates a sense of balance and control. First, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you want to, and let's get started. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really feel your lungs expanding, filling up with air. Now hold your breath for another count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Resist the urge to gasp or rush, just hold it steady. Next, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Visualize all the tension leaving your body with each exhale. Finally, hold your breath again for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This final hold is crucial. It resets the cycle and prepares you for the next breath. That's 1 round. Repeat this cycle for at least 5 minutes or longer if you need it. The key is to maintain that steady, even rhythm throughout the entire practice. Box breathing is like a mini meditation. It calms your nervous system, slows down your heart rate, and brings you right into the present moment. No more racing thoughts, no more overwhelm, just pure focused attention. All right, let's dive into some next level breathing techniques with the Wim Hof method. This one's named after the legendary Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman. This guy's a total badass. He's climbed Mount Everest in his shorts, run a marathon in the Arctic Circle, and holds the world record for longest ice bath. And he credits a lot of his superhuman abilities to this powerful breathing technique. Now, the Wim Hof method is a bit more intense than the other techniques we've covered, but The benefits are incredible. We're talking increased energy, reduced inflammation, boosted immune system, and a whole new level of mental clarity. Here's the gist. It involves cycles of controlled hyperventilation followed by breath holds, which helps increase oxygenation, improve endurance, and enhance stress tolerance. It's like giving your body and mind a turbocharged reboot. Here's how it works. Find a comfortable seated position and let's begin. Take 30 to 40 deep, full breaths, inhaling through your nose or mouth and exhaling passively. Don't force it, just breathe deeply and rhythmically. After the last breath, exhale fully and hold your breath until you feel the urge to breathe again. This is where it gets interesting. When you feel that urge, inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely, and hold your breath for 15 seconds. Then exhale slowly and completely. That's 1 round. Repeat this cycle for 3 to 4 rounds and gradually increase the number of rounds as you become more comfortable with the technique. Now, the Wim Hof method is powerful stuff, so it's important to listen to your body and take it slow at first. If you experience any lightheadedness or dizziness, stop and rest for a few minutes before continuing. This technique is not for everyone, especially if you have certain medical conditions. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new breathing practice. But if you're looking to push your limits, explore your potential and tap into a whole new level of physical and mental resilience, the Wim Hof method just might be your new secret weapon. Let's explore alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana in Sanskrit. This ancient yogic breathing technique is like a balancing act for your nervous system, calming your mind and enhancing mental clarity. Think of it like this. You've got 2 nostrils, right? Well, in yogic tradition, each nostril represents a different energy channel in the body. The right nostril is associated with the sun, representing active energy, while the left nostril is associated with the moon, representing calming energy. Alternate nostril breathing helps to harmonize these energies, creating a sense of balance and equilibrium within the body and mind. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. Here's how it's done. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes if you'd like, and let's begin. Place your right thumb on your right nostril, gently closing it off. Inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril. Now release your right nostril and close off your left nostril with your right ring finger. Exhale slowly and completely through your right nostril. Next, inhale slowly and deeply through your right nostril. Release your left nostril and close off your right nostril with your thumb. Exhale slowly and completely through your left nostril. That's 1 round. Continue this pattern, alternating nostrils with each inhale and exhale for 5 to 10 minutes. Alternate nostril breathing is best practiced on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or before bed. It's a great way to start your day with a clear mind or to unwind and de-stress after a long day. This technique is like a gentle massage for your brain, releasing tension, improving focus, and promoting a sense of deep relaxation. It's a powerful tool for managing stress, reducing anxiety, and improving overall well-being. Let's talk about Buteyko breathing, a technique developed by Ukrainian doctor Konstantin Buteyko. This method is all about less is more, focusing on reducing your breathing volume to improve respiratory efficiency, reduce overbreathing, and enhance CO2 tolerance. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, isn't more breathing better? Well, not necessarily. Overbreathing, which many of us do without even realizing it, can actually disrupt the body's natural balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide, leading to a whole host of issues like anxiety, fatigue, and even sleep problems. Buteyko breathing helps to reset this balance, teaching you to breathe lighter and more efficiently, which can have some pretty incredible benefits for your health and well-being. Here's how it works. Find a comfortable, seated position and relax your body. Now, instead of taking deep breaths, focus on taking small, shallow breaths through your nose. Imagine you're sipping air through a straw. The key here is to gradually reduce your breath volume until you feel a slight air hunger. Not gasping for air, just a gentle awareness that you need to breathe a little more. Maintain this light breathing for several minutes, focusing on keeping your breath small, quiet, and controlled. You can start with just a few minutes of practice each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Now, Buteyko breathing can take some getting used to. It might feel a little strange at first, but stick with it. The benefits are well worth it. This technique is especially helpful for people with asthma, sleep apnea, and other respiratory conditions. It's like retraining your lungs to work more efficiently, improving your body's ability to absorb and utilize oxygen. Buteyko breathing is like a secret weapon for optimizing your respiratory system, enhancing your energy levels, and promoting a sense of calm and well-being. It's a powerful tool that can have a profound impact on your overall health. So there you have it. 5 powerful breathing techniques that can significantly improve your overall well-being. From boosting athletic performance to reducing stress and enhancing recovery, the benefits of conscious breathing are undeniable. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of breath for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to gain an edge or simply someone looking to feel calmer, more focused and more energized, these breathing practices can help you get there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And remember, breathe in, breathe out, you got this.